So now we move to basic building block number 6, which without block number 6, block number 5 becomes useless. It is called the follow through. Alright? And an example I use in my old CD I was watching last night is the golf. I still like that example. So I'll use it again, but now my swing is better. Alright? You have a ball called the golf ball on a piece of wood, stick into the ground, called the tee. Because I trained Tiger how to play, so. You all don't believe all this, up to you lah. Huh? Then you hold the club. What kind of club? Depends where you are a member. You understand? And you do that. Leg must be like that. And then you swing. Hard work. Now that's, you hit the ball and your club follows through all the way. And the ball goes for, mine is about 300 meters or something like that. 40, something like that. But if you hit the ball, and you stop. Alright? What Tiger used to do, the ball just goes about few inches. Because there's no follow through. Alright? And this is a very powerful example. So when you show the plan, you just hit the ball. Correct? And you stop there, the ball just drops. You got to hit and you got to follow through all the way. And then it goes. Then you get a sign up. You understand? Now the follow through is actually one of the hardest basic building blocks to comply with. Can I tell you why? Alright? Because that's when people try to avoid you. And everyone I meet around the world tells me, what if the guy doesn't answer the phone? Stop calling him lah. If you know the guy is avoiding you, what do you want to trap him, is it? Somebody said, no, I must hunt him down, must do the follow through. Listen, the guy is avoiding you. He never replies SMS, he never answers phone. What could be the answer? No. One fellow said, I go to his house at night. I said, you want to be arrested, is it? The guy is going to shoot you from the window. Why are you all so panicky? I don't understand, of the follow through. My follow through is very simple. Hi, remember we met the other day? Yes. Can we meet up again? Any questions? Right? If the guy is interested, he say yes. If the guy is totally not interested, he say no, I'm not interested. What can you do? People keep telling me, what should I do in that situation? Show another plan lah. What can you do? Beat him up, sign up now. But if you walk past his house with the biodisc in your hand, don't make it obvious, hold it like that. No, you can't do anything, guys, I'm sorry. If the guy says no, you can do an experiment, statistic survey. You understand? By the way, I'm just keen to know why you said no. You can do that if you want, to have some fun. I do that all the time. When the guy said, no, I'm not interested, stupid business. I say, I'm really shocked, you know why? Because I know you are broke. You have a pathetic job. Why would you say no? How dare you say that? But it's true. So, you think about it, call me back. I still want to help you. I still think this business and you can work. When you're ready, give me a call. If there's anything major happening, I'll call you. Alright? But I respect your decision for the moment. Okay? Have a nice day. Simple. I like this statistic survey. Some will say, my wife said no. I said, can I talk to her? Why you want to talk to my wife? No, give me a number. I want to find out why would she influence her husband not to do something which could change her family's life. I just want to know. Please, you want to sign up so I cannot accept you now already. But I want to talk to your wife. Put her on the line. Oh, hold on. Hello, Mrs. Lim? Yes. Why? You don't want him to join? You want to get information? You want to get more experience? Don't be afraid. See, my mother always taught me something. She said, good looking son. No, because I got two brothers, so she always differentiates by looks. Good looking son. Always ask yourself, what is the worst can happen? And once you have accepted that, you have nothing to fear. True? I strongly believe in that in my life. That's my life policy. Alright? So I look at networking, show the plan, basic building block number 5. Right? What's the worst that can happen? No. Do they say no and beat you up at the same time? Shoot you? They only say no. That's the worst. If you have accepted that at the worst, you got nothing to fear. The guy said no. Cool, man. I respect your decision. Can I know why? Well, to be honest, I don't have the money. Hey, then we can still talk. Alright, I'll give you a few more details. We have a retail option where you can retail and get the UV. No need to buy for yourself. Alright, there are many options if you don't have money right now in our company. You can retail 2 biodiscs and get 1 UV and start building the business immediately. Alright, oh, I didn't know that. Yeah, I didn't want to confuse you during the plan. Can we meet for coffee? Cool, let's meet for coffee. You want to take it further, you take it further. To me, I always take it further. Not for any purpose, it's just for fun. And if people around me, I put on speakerphone. You understand? But a follow through, and you get a follow through. Follow through must be done when? 24, 48 hours. Nothing more than 48 hours because people forget. Strike when the iron is hot. Take on a date when you're still good looking. You understand? Alright? And basically that's important. 48 hours. And it's phone call follow through. Hi, Mr. Lim. Pathman here. Remember we met on Saturday? Yeah, I showed you the opportunity. Yes. Very interesting. Alright, I just want to catch up with you today or tomorrow. Okay? To handle any of your questions and see how do we move forward. Alright, always use positive terms. Don't use, I want to convince you because I'm sure you're not convinced. Somebody actually said that. I heard it. I would tell people, listen, let's meet up, let's move forward. Alright, I've got a few updates for you which I didn't share with you the other day. Okay? No obligations, but let's meet for a cup of tea. Are you guys with me now? Yes. Now the follow through is to handle objections. Because if they have questions during the plan, they have much more questions during the follow through. Why? Why? Because they talk to everyone in town. You know, I met this guy, he had this glass thing which can solve all your problems. Scam. Oh, okay. You understand? They talk to their mother-in-law, neighbor, auntie, uncle, everyone. And they get more negative feedback. Now they're geared up with more bullets to come and shoot you. You understand? And I forgot, I missed out. I missed out on showing the plan. After showing the plan, basic building block number 5, okay, always tell them, please don't talk to anyone about this business, right, until we meet and do a follow-up. Do you understand? Right? There'll be a lot of people out there with a lot of opinions. Okay? Please don't talk to anyone. You have to say it. Will they listen to you? High possibility no. But you said it, you done your duty. So he comes back with all the objections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright guys? I'm not going to go into the details of objections. Alright? Because that will be a different CD. Because I'm telling you, they can't shoot more than 10 bullets. Is it legal? Does it work? I got no money. I got no time. It's not my cup of tea. My wife don't let. My mother-in-law don't let. My wife don't let. I cannot talk to people. I don't know anyone. I've been living under my bed my whole life. Alright? I'm a moron. I don't know. Ultimately, okay, the answer to handling that situation is never to be aggressive. Because if the guy came for the follow through, that means he's open. That's a good guy to have. You only got a few types of characters lah. Those who sign up on the spot, those who fall off the chair laughing and say no, you understand? Those who say no in your follow-up call, follow-through call, and those who come to your follow-through meeting. You can presume that those who come to your follow-through meeting, they are at 50-50 border. Are you guys with me? Yes. Alright? And that's a good place to be. Okay, so they come for a follow-through meeting. When they give you the objections, remember the 3 F's. Feel, felt, found. I got no time. Brother, I know how you feel. When I started, that's exactly how I felt. But you know what I found out? That if you sit with your uplines and manage your time, it only requires 2 to 3 days a week. And you can effectively build this business. Alright? I got no money. I know how you feel. When I came in, I had the same problem. You know, I felt the same way. Now, don't say it like a robot. No money. I know how you feel. That's how I felt. This is what I found out. I got no time. I know how you feel. This is how I felt. This is what I found out. My wife doesn't allow. I know. Don't be a robot. You understand? No? Put some conversation into it, lah. You know. I know exactly how you feel. You know, when I came in, I was shocked, but that's how I felt. But after spending time with my leadership, I found out so many great things. That even without money, I can go on the retail mode, retail a few products to people close to me, gather the UV, place it in my tracking center, and bill. And always maintain your posture. The developer come to you and say, this company is a scam. I found out. This person told me this person told me that, blah, 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 blah. I'm not surprised. I knew you were going to come and say this. Right? I'm sorry to say, but there's a lot of things floating out there. But the facts speak for itself. Alright? We are a $1 billion company, 2 million customers. You saw all the paper clippings I showed you during the presentation. What can I say? Alright? Microsoft has people talking bad about them. Mercedes has people talking bad about them. Apple computers have people insulting them. Alright? But we are a solid company. We have offices all around the world. Blah, 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 blah. If he brings out a specific challenge, like Malaysia had legal problems, you're right. But now it's totally clear. And we have not. And this is a fact. We have not ever been charged successfully in court for anything. In 8 years. A lot of allegations, a lot of political issues, you know, jealousy by other companies. They try to attack us, but never one company on the planet ever won a case against us. Never! Ever have they won a case against us. That deserves a round of applause. Right? Never. Microsoft got sued and charged in court and lost the case. We have never lost a case. I'm so proud of that. Do you understand? But the minute they start insulting the company, you understand? Oh, it's a stupid company, you should quit, blah, 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 blah. Hey, I appreciate your opinions. But can I be very honest with you? I really don't care what you think. It's either a yes or no. But I'm doing this full time. I believe in this company. We have changed lives all around the world. You must walk away with pride. Don't agree. Yeah, maybe you're right. It's not a good company. You understand? And like I told you, objections is a way for the person to disguise saying no. He don't want to say no, so he create objections. Are you guys with me?
Yes.
And you keep answering, he creates new ones. What he really wants to say is no. You already can gauge people. You know the level of excitement they're giving. The guy is not interested. So what? Some will, some won't. So what? Someone's waiting. No, all SWs. Some will, some won't. So what? Someone's waiting. Do you understand? Why is someone waiting? Because you got 150 names on your name list and you're adding 15 every month. Are you guys with me now? So don't be paranoid about this follow through. It's a basic process. Show the plan, follow through. 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 Yes, no. Everyone who says no, don't burn their name cards in some cult ceremony. You understand? Alright? Put it all on KIV. KIV means keep in view. Keep. Tomorrow, 8th anniversary gala extravaganza, super duper mega, super mega extravaganza celebration. Malaysia. Call all the KIV. Hi, do you remember I met you a couple of months ago about the plan? Listen, we're having a gala celebration. I just wanted to invite you. It's going to be fun. Call everyone. And they walk in. 1,000 people. You understand? Balloons, everything. They may change their mind. Or we have a VCon. And we have exhibition booths. Invite them to the exhibition booths. You understand? KIV, never throw them if they say no. But ultimately, I believe that only a moron will say no to this business. I'm a firm believer that anyone with a little bit of intelligence, if anyone has the intelligence of a kite, who's not even a living thing, if anyone has the intelligence, a little bit intelligence, but a dream, do you understand? Will say yes to this business. A person who will say no to this business is a person who lost his dream, who has fear in his heart to try something. The only thing they're expressing when they say no is fear. So sometimes when the guy said no, I stand up, I give him a hug. I say, I feel sorry for you, brother, that you're going to remain broke your whole life. But if you ever change your mind, give me a call. Alright? Take care. I feel very emotional when somebody says no. Because I know that he's going to go back to his pathetic life, when he had an opportunity to join us and change the direction of his life. So what is no? Fear. Follow up. Follow through. 48 hours. Are you guys with me?
Yes.
Pick up the phone, call, handle objections, feel, felt, found, maintain your posture, walk away with pride. Don't allow them to walk away feeling they won. Are you guys with me?